Good afternoon, one and all. So let's start the program by wishing everyone a very happy 111th Pharmacist Day. Now I would request Dr. Shravan L. Nargun sir, Director of Sushusa Education Trust, Bangalore and Principal DGNCOP Murdi to escort Chief Guest Dr. Mallappa Shalvadi sir on the stage. I request Shashidhar sir to join guest. I heartily welcome our guest Dr. Mallappa Shalvadi sir, who is Associate Professor of HSK College, Bagalkot. And I heartily welcome Dr. Shravan L. Nargun sir, who is the Director of Sushusa Education Trust, Principal of GNCOP Murdi. And I would like to welcome teaching and non-teaching staff on and off the dais and my fellow mates.
I'm not an engineer, but I know engineering. I'm not a doctor, but I know pharmacology. I'm not an BSc student, but I know a graduate, but I know management. I'm not, but I know laws. I'm not a pathologist, but I know about biochemicals and tests. I'm a multi-talented. Guess who am I? Yes, proud to be a pharmacist. So by saying these words, I would like to welcome our guest by giving a bouquet to Dr. Mallappa Shalvadi sir by Ajay sir. Thank you Ajay sir and thank you Mallappa Shalvadi sir. Now I would like to call Shashidhar sir to welcome Shravan sir. Thank you sir. Now I would like to welcome our lecturer Radhika from Uttar sir. Anita for Vinayak sir. Let us start the program by having a light lamping along with the prayer song. And I would like to call our lecturers to join, along with the two students. And I would like to call Sneha and group for a prayer song.
ಇದು ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ.
ಶ್ರೀಕಾರನೇ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸನೇ ಶೇಷ शेषाद्रिगिरिवास श्रीरमणने श्रीचक्र श्रीशङ्खभूषितने आत्माय देहाय आराधने श्रीकारणे श्रीनिवासने शेषाद्रिगिरिवास श्रीरमणने श्रीचक्र श्रीशङ्खभूषितने आत्माय देहाय आराधने करधरे बरुवा कलियुग दैव पाप विनाಶ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಯ ಮನವ ಕಲಕುತ್ತಲಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ ಭದ್ರಾದ್ರಿ ರಾಮನು ಇವನೇ ಮಧುರಾಪುರ ಶಾಮನು ಇವನೇ ಶರಣಾಗಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಕಾಯೋ ನೀರಾಮಯ ಶ್ರೀಕಾರನೇ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸನೇ ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿ ಗಿರಿವಾಸ ಶ್ರೀರಮಣನೇ श्रीचक्र श्रीशङ्खभूषितने आत्माय देहाय आराधने
Thank you, sir, and thank you, team. Now, I would like to call Dr. Basai, sir, to introduce chief guest.
So, a very good afternoon to everyone, and welcome to our event. So, first of all, a very happy World Pharmacist Day to everyone. So, it is my pleasure to introduce our Chief Guest, Dr. Mallappa Shalawadi, sir, who has graciously accepted our invitation to join us today. Thank you, sir. Sir has completed D Pharmacy in the year 2005 and B Pharmacy in the year 2008 in KLE's College of Pharmacy, Gadag. Sir has completed M Pharma in HSK College of Pharmacy, Bagalkot in the year 2011, and in the same year, sir has secured first rank for Rajiv Gandhi University of Health, HSK College of Pharmacy under Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences in the year 2019. Sir has started his career as product specialist in Eldermis Division, Bangalore, and worked there for 8 months. So later, sir has joined as lecturer in Karavali College of Pharmacy, Mangaluru, and worked there for 1 year and 5 months. And then sir has joined in BVS HSK College of Pharmacy as lecturer in the year 2012. And later sir has promoted to assistant professor in the year 2017. And next sir has promoted to associate professor in the year 2023. At presently working as associate professor and head of the department for the Department of Pharmacology, as well as he is working as an associate professor for pharmacy practice, that is PharmD program. Sir has totally 12 years of experience in this esteemed institution. Presently, sir is approved guide for PhD, M Pharma as well as PharmD projects under Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore. Sir has got Best Researcher Award in International Center for Engineering, Science and Medicine on 6th and 7th March 2021 at Goa. Sir has published one Indian patent. So that is a very proud moment for our college. Sir has published one Indian patent, and sir has serviced the Faculty of Pharmacy nomination by the Vice Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore for 3 years. Sir got Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences recognized guideship, now currently guiding 5 PhD students as well as more. He has guided more than 20 M Pharma students. So sir has also received merit scholarship and awarded rupees 50,000 by Sir Ratan Tata Trust, Mumbai during his M Pharma second year. Sir has awarded Pratibha Puraskar in the year 2009 for getting 82.63% in M Pharma first year by Ahalya Mahila Samaj, Davangere. So sir has worked as investigator for one project of Rajiv Gandhi University Health Sciences and two projects of BVG Life Sciences Private Limited, Pune. So sir worked as co-investigator for 6 projects of Department of Science and Technology under Government of India. So sir has got total 43 student research work guided. So sir totally got 56 research paper published whose impact factor is around 26. So sir got one granted patent as well as. So sir has received 3 best poster awards in international conferences. So sir is presently investigator and co-investigator for the life science research projects of collaborative work with Industries BVG Life Sciences Private Limited, Pune, Center for Infectious Diseases and Phytochemical Studies, that is CIDPS, as well as International University, Malaysia, and NIF Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, under Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bengaluru. So thank you.
Thank you, sir, for letting us know some introduction about the sir. Now I would like to call Dr. Mallappa Shelwadi sir to address the function.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. A warm, graceful morning to President today's function, Dr. Sachin Nargun Sir, Principal and Director, Dr. Guruchan, Nargun College of Pharmacy, Murudi, and my dear staff and students gathered here. Okay. Dream is not something that you see while sleeping, and it is something that does not let you sleep. That's what you can see that as a student, always you can see as a human being, will go to dream. You should dream such a dream. That means it should not be go as a dream. The dream should be like that. It should allow you to sleep. Okay. You have to, the dream is like that, you should not allow. Means, for example, you take Nargun sir only. See, from Bangalore, they are coming to the Murudi weekly. Their dream is to set such a wonderful campus into the village level. Okay, it is not allowing him to, I think, sleep. So that's what you can see. Majorly, see, such dreams you should have. See, majorly that's dream. Dreaming is the what is that the basic right. That's what everyone will go to dream. But your dream, you should not allow you to sleep here. Such dreams you should have. See, today, as we know that we are celebrating World the Pharmacist Day 2023 with the theme Pharmacy, strengthening what is that health system here. Okay? As you know that the theme will go to tell you that the pharmacy strengthening the health, the system. So already you know that health system is totally a collection of the many, the what is that profession. Not only pharmacy, we can have a profession of medical, nursing, okay, any other, you can see many other, the A&M we have, physiotherapy we have. So what you can see there is it's a collection of what is that profession here. Okay, in that we are also part here. And as we know that health is a wealth. Health is the wealth here. And we should be proud that we are the budding pharmacists, all are budding pharmacists, and we are the pharmacists already. We are in this profession where we are going to serving the total community here, total the population, and a total universe. As a pharmacist, we are serving, and already the pharmacy got a very good noble recognition during the COVID-19 here, right? That's what you can see. There's what we are. We proved in the COVID-19. You can see that every pharmacist worked 24 hours. You cannot imagine, as I am in the COVID-19 situation, I couldn't got a single paracetamol tablet easily from the pharmacy. But see, that time the pharmacists are made See, if they are not available, and when you go for village level, the paracetamol is not available. But the pharmacist given assured that by evening, I'll make it available, sir. That is what essential medicine, this we call it as. And the pharmacist struggled, and he provided me the paracetamol tablet at where it is not easily available in the COVID situation. Already you know that what is the importance of paracetamol in the COVID situation here. Like that, you can see there is the service what they given by the pharmacist. When you go for at a regulatory level, so the oxygen cylinder, you know that it also comes under the pharmaceutical product only. That is what gets the oxygen cylinder, oxygen lifeline we call it as here. Okay, that is to supply oxygen, total drug. The control department struggled. Every DI, everyone is struggled to supply the what is that oxygen to the individuals here. Why? That's the what you can see. Why? Because we are the humanity. We have a humanity, and we are the pharmacists. We are the serving total community here. We are serving because we are in the touch with the what is that public here. Okay? Our main motto is to make a healthy the community here. That's the what wealth of country, wealth of the universe. That's why we are here today to celebrate this World Pharmacist the Day 2023 here. Okay? And the most of this the World Pharmacist Day celebration is the majorly founded by the International Pharmaceutical founded to recognize or the what is that recognize the pharmacist sees what he is rendering to the society. For that reason, the FIP is started to celebrate the day, we call it as the World Pharmacist the Day here. And we know that what is our role here. When it comes to the pharmacist role, the pharmacist, we have the tremendous role here. Okay. When you see this already, and in the situation like a COVID only, you take it, the vaccine, COVID vaccine, covaccine. I think you heard or you already taken the covaccine 2 doses. Everyone, right? All the students. Okay. Everyone taken at least 2 doses of a covaccine, and you know that how it is developed. Okay. That is the what drug development we call it as here. Okay. Pharmacist is going to play a critical role. Critical in the sense core role in the drug development here. See, without a drug, the health system is nil. Already you know that. Okay. I will not tell that we are only involved in the health system. I am going to tell that we are again the important part, how the nursing is there, how the medical system is there. Similarly, the pharmacist also very core part of the what you call it as a health system. That is already proved in the COVID situation where we innovated the vaccines within 1 year. It is came into the market here. It is highly impossible. Already you know that what is the process of drug development. It's around, it takes fastly, if you require 8 years, it will take one drug. If you want to reach a market nowadays, you can see how much investment we have to do. Everything you can see there is being made by the pharmacist in the drug development. Already you know that various stages are there in the drug development. Every stage the pharmacists are playing a very good role here. As a researcher, he will go to innovate the drugs, right? See, after innovation, the screening will be done by the pharmacologist. Okay, after the screening, we can see there is as a preclinical screening as well as we can see clinical trials. There is clinical screening we call it as here. The preclinical we are going to do in the animals, and later it will move toward the human study, where you can see pharmacists again play a core role, where you can see there is a clinical pharmacist, as well as hospital pharmacist, as well as the researchers. You can see there's a data collector, pharmacovigilance coordinator. Many are there, many positions are there in the drug development process where pharmacist plays an important role. And when it will come to the, what is it, after completion of clinical trial, where it will go, it will come into the market where post-marketing surveillance will do. And in the market also we require pharmacists, right, to dispensary drugs. See, from innovation to the dispense. From the where you can see there's we are going to innovating the drug as well as we'll make the formulation, we'll prove its safety as well as efficacy, and later it will be the come to the market where again pharmacist is necessary. Yes, already you know that almost all dispensing pharmacy, community pharmacists, we call it as here, community, the pharmacists. They are required at the public level. We can see there's from innovation to the till public touch. Our chain is there. our chain is a very big chain we have, and there's tremendous opportunities to grow as a very good the different pharmacies. I can tell you that I'll take some the names of pharmacy. You can have here majorly community pharmacy. The biggest pharmacy branch is a community pharmacy, which will work for a public. Already you have, I think, druggist and the pharmacy shops. Druggist shops and pharmacy shop, what you are seeing, all they are community pharmacies. How they are serving, and you know that if you go and knock, or if you call night also, sir, I required so and so emergency drug, immediately he'll come and he'll give you the drug here. That is what a service we are giving as like a 24-hour pharmacy, 24-hour hospital already we have. At the same time, 24-hour pharmacy also required. That is the what community pharmacists are rendering their services to the community here. Okay. As you can see, there is another major is the hospital pharmacist. The hospital pharmacist, in the sense, will go to work in the hospital here. He is going to exist the total pharmacy, and he is the coordinator. He is interacting with the total hospital doctors, and the total the drug is served by the hospital pharmacist to the total hospital here. And another one is the major is the clinical pharmacy. And you know, I think everybody know that what is clinical the pharmacy here, right? That's what a clinical pharmacy is nothing but the clinical pharmacist. I think this post is there in the nowadays NBA accreditation. If NABL accreditation, if you require the clinical pharmacist post also there. Yeah, many. This is what Apollo Hospital, you can say that many big hospital they appointed a clinical pharmacist. What their role? Their role is to ensure whatever the drug they are taking, they are safe, and drugs are working there. Okay, after giving drug, whether the condition is improving or worsening. That's what they are going to see. See, their role is not to just dispense here. The clinical pharmacist will look the bedside. Okay? He'll look the bedside. He'll take care of total the patient, what the drug is working really or not. And if we have any the adverse effect or adverse event in the patient, that is looked out by the the clinical the pharmacist here. That's why the pharmacy courses came in the force. Okay, that's many students are graduating now as a pharmacy, and they are doing really what a good job in the bedside pharmacy here, right? In the total the hospital here, and like that you can see that the research pharmacy is there, research pharmacist. The big opportunity is there in the research pharmacist here. Okay, and last I think 2 days back I am discussing the pathophysiology class, where you can see there is I shown immunology and different Nobel prizes. Edward Jenner, you can see there's different. You can see plenty of Nobel prizes got from microbiology here, right? And Edward Jenner got that's what you can see Nobel Prize. And noting what is the vaccine here. Already it is drug. See, for a drug, we can win. That's the what you can say that Nobel Prize. That should be our dream. See, everyone what we have here already gathered. See, every brain is a Einstein brain. Usually, I'll call it as the Indian brain is a very strong brain. Indian brain is a very strong brain. Why? What is the reason behind? You can see there's as you take an example of all of you here, they gathered. Yeah, many of you have intentionally entered a pharmacy, or some of many of them. You can see there's they entered here. By what is that parents or any other. They told that the pharmacy is a good profession, go and join. That's what you can see there. How many of you are there here to the intention means they have interest in pharmacy and entered. You can raise your hands. Very few, right? Very few hands. Here too. There I think 6, 7 hands are there. That's a good number, I think. See? See, interestingly they came to the pharmacy. And remaining all? Remaining all? I think you understood that's what you can see that. See, with this you entered here, and ultimately you are completing your course with a good mark. Okay, right? So ultimately you are going to completing. Though you are entered without interest, but you are going to mold your brain. You are going to mold your brain accordingly. How should learn? B.Pharma or a pharmacy, whatever that's a diploma. Whatever you can see, the course you entered, you will complete that. Without your interest, I am telling. Without your interest, you are going to score more than 75, 80, whatever you can see. Some of maybe the struggling, you will get a rank also. Okay. And so today we have that, you are already celebrating that, right? That's how what you can see. Without interest, this much you can do. Think about that. If you are, we are all parents, or every education system is allowing what you are interested, what you can do, right? That's what you can see. There's you can. That's usually in our local language, I'll usually call it as university pado. University pado. That means the score like nobody can score in future. Lectures, sometimes lectures will become lazy. What is that? We can come to the class. Till now, I'll go path class, but still little update will be done. But that is, should not be happen. See, this depends on students how they are grabbing, how they are irritating teachers here. That's what you can see. Every day the irritation is must here. Okay, and always you have to irritate teachers. Then only teachers will deliver. That's what everything they can. What is that? Ellanu dana ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳು. The teachers are there to deliver. They say that usually students follow the steps of teachers. That's what I'm telling. Students follow the steps of teachers only. That's what you can. Because they usually, that's why the first the Stotra came Guru Vishnu Guru Brahma. That's what you can see. There's the word only will indicate. We'll just Guru place total universe. I'm telling Guru place at the top. Why? Because this is the reason here, right? And they are builders of a nation here, right? That's what you can see. Like that research pharmacist. Tremendous opportunities are there in the research. Still, you don't think that. Don't underestimate your brain. Your brain is a miracle. Your brain is a miracle. Then I can tell you that one of you may get a Nobel Prize in future. Don't think that everything is over in the science. It is a beginning. In the science, every day is the beginning. Every day is the beginning. Everything is not. Even in the HAP you can get a Nobel Prize. Even in the microbiology you can get a Nobel Prize. Even in any subject you can get a Nobel Prize, because it is the initiation again. It is the initial day only when you took it as the dream here, right? That's what you can see immediately. That's a research pharmacist, industrial pharmacist. We can have a compounding pharmacy, consulting. You can see there's the what a consultant. If a consultant, doctors, you know that. Consultant means they'll come 1 hour, 2 hours to the hospital and they will render their duty. What is that profession toward the public health here. Similarly, a pharmacist, pharmacy profession also there. We call it as a consulting pharmacy here. Consulting pharmacist will come and consult at a home or a hospital to the patient, whether is taking correctly or not. Those everything you can see. Such type of duty will be done by consulting the pharmacist. Ambulatory pharmacy we have a ambulatory. I think many of you not seen. That's usually we can start a pharmacy in the vehicle. How the doctor will go to the community. That's what, whenever you can see community visit will be there. They will go with the doctors and check in the some villages. Similarly, we can take our vehicle, a pharmacy bus, a pharmacy truck. We can say that. See, everything we can take to the. That's what ambulatory pharmacy we call it as. Like that home care. And so what you can see, there's the many other opportunities are there. These are the different professions in the pharmacy only. Different types of pharmacists are there in the community here. Again, you can see. And here majorly you can see today. This is what I am to tell you that the pharmacy profession again it is the noble the profession here. The noble the profession and the another the auspicious day. What you are going to celebrating today is the annual the day here, right? The annual day you are going to celebrating during I think it's also very important because the world only indicate annual day in the sense what you did 1 year, steps, achievements, whatever that will be appreciated. Usually, see in the olden days, any good thing if you done by us, usually our seniors or our parents will do. ತುಪ್ಪ ಚಪ್ಪರಿಸಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. That's what. ಅದೊಂದೇ ಬೇಕು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನಿರೋದಲ್ಲ. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಒಂದು 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದಿ ತಾವರಲ್ಲ. ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬಂದಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವೆರಿ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ತುಪ್ಪ ಚಪ್ಪರಿಸೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ತುಪ್ಪ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಚಪ್ಪರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಇನ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ವೇ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ that's what you can see, that's recognizing the what is the toppers, okay, whatever, even in the education academic as well as non-academic activities, cultural, sports. All you can say recognition and the appreciation is very important. For that reason, we are going to celebrating annual day. Winners are coming on the stage. Runners will be there. Whatever you can see that the losers. Don't think that you are the losers here. You are a participant there. Okay. You may also have opportunity in the next year again. You have opportunity in the next year. Okay. So, my dear, the budding pharmacist, your name should be taken worldwide. Such the achievement you should be do here. Okay, that's what you can see there. See, pharmacist, World Pharmacist Day was celebration ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋದಲ್ಲ. Okay, ನಾಳೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ತುಂಬಾ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. They have to take it. So such pharmacist you should become here. Okay, thank you, Anand.
Thank you so much for your informative speech, sir. Now I request Shravan L. Nargun sir to felicitate our chief guest, Dr. Mallappa Shalvadi sir. I request all the lecturers to join the felicitation.
Thank you, sir, and thank you, lecturers. Now, I would like to call Dr. Shravan L. Nargun, sir, to address the function.
Happy World Pharmacist Day to all the pharmacists, budding pharmacists, aspiring pharmacists, and welcome to everyone on the dais, and happy Pharmacist Day to all the people on the dais and off the dais. Today, I would like to speak about the theme of pharmacy strengthening health system. So what do you people actually mean by saying pharmacist strengthening health system? Is our health system strong already or not? Yes, it is strong, right? You have doctors everywhere, you have hospitals, you have ICUs, you have medications for every disease. Like say COVID came and in 6 months we were up with the vaccine, correct? So the healthcare system is strong in India, yes? So but what do we mean by again strengthening the healthcare system? So, as I told you, evolution, I have talked about this before also, there is a lot of evolution in the field of healthcare, in the field of medicine, in the field of drug delivery, in the field of drug development. You know, we are talking about, there is the present times we are talking about nanobots, we are talking about artificial intelligence in healthcare, we are talking about machine learning in healthcare.
Actually, the whole process of COVID vaccine was created by something called as artificial intelligence only. Yes, because they sequenced the whole DNA, the RNA, the genes, they replicated it, and we were previously working on a vaccine for SARS influenza, which slowly we converted few sequencing patterns, which helped us to come up with a vaccine for COVID. It is not that we started working on the COVID virus on the day of the release of the COVID SARS-CoV-2 COVID-19, and then we got it in 6 months. No, we were working for that particular strain for say, we were working on influenza from past 15 years. We're working for vaccines for that. So the total data accumulated by doing the research for so many years helped us to create a vaccine for COVID-19. So what do we mean by health, strengthening the healthcare system? As we as pharmacists, we play a very vital role in the whole healthcare system, as we are the ones who help whatever that is done outside the body. We are the only people who will take it inside the body. There are doctors who cut the body and then they will do some surgery and then they will do it. We are the only people who take whatever is outside the body, inside the body, without dismantling or distorting the whole system, living system. So, as pharmacists, we have to be very much prepared for what is coming for the future. We need to understand what is artificial intelligence, what is machine learning. If we come to pharmacology, we're talking on organ on a chip. We're talking on multiple software models which will help us to analyze. Like say, for example, you came up with an idea. Sir, why can't we not do this? This is an idea. Now we have softwares which we can use and we can analyze the results and then we can start working on those models. So that is the extent of research that has grown. So we all being pharmacists, I request every one of you to come up with newer ideas, to read about recent advancement in pharmacy. And as budding pharmacists, it is your job. With the advent of artificial intelligence and machine learning in the future, what is your degree is not worthy enough. What is there in your head, what is the knowledge you possess is more important. So kindly utilize the library, the resources available in the college, and also if you are interested, we will take you to other resources where you can utilize them to enhance the knowledge base you have. So with these few words and guiding you people to go ahead and think more about acquiring more knowledge for your future, I wish you all again a happy World Pharmacist Day and a wonderful, successful program which will go ahead. I know it is already late. I have taken too much of your time. So I will end my speech over here. Thank you all. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Vinayak sir to address the function.
Good afternoon all. For all of you on the dais, off the dais, all my buddy faculties and all my dearest friends. Happy Pharmacist Day to everyone. I am everything regarding the Pharmacist Day and regarding what to do, what the development I am regularly going on with you. You know that all. I don't want to take much time on this. First of all, I like to thank that Mallappa sir accepted our invitation and visited here for this to make the event very successful. And also I like to thank my principal sir, Savan sir. He also travelled from along to attend this function and make it grand success. So as sir also told, I think you have all know that why we are celebrating this Pharmacist Day on 25th September. All of you came to know why this is on 25th only? On this September 25th? Don't even know. Yes, yes. It is like FIP, means International Pharmaceutical Federation has decided this one. And then here, especially on the Istanbul, Turkey, in the year of 2009, FIP associated, that the Federation International Pharmaceutical Association is decided in the 2009 that we have to celebrate Pharmacist Day on September 25th. So on that basis we are going on now. The theme, as you all know, we are strengthening the health. Why we need to celebrate this? The purpose to celebrate is to promote. Promote what? The advocate, the growth, the development we can approach to make an health betterment, strengthen the health. That is what the theme what we have. It is an addition to this theme is, it is a little bit what we have added in this is, Angadana is Mahadana. That is what this 2023 theme actually, because you have all know what the organ, our different organs will functionize. Even though we can very advanced, we will make as similar as anything may be work, but it is not 100% like how our natural organ will work. So on the basis of that, it is always better to donate the organs. It will make a life for so many of the others. That is what the thing is. In the development of pharmacy, what I can say is, in the global, more than the 15,000 to 30,000 pharma companies are there. 200 current countries, around more than the 15,000 pharmaceutical companies are there. So you can get the number of opportunities are there. As sir told, AI is the things which is going on now. Artificial intelligence. How many of you are aware of this? What exactly the artificial intelligence is all about? In your way, if I say, if you are searching something like mobile, what is the price of this so and so model of mobile, if you search it, immediately after a few times you are getting the ad of that. Isn't it? You are getting it or not? In the same way, if you search the video of particular singing or song or whatever it may be, related that song you will get later on, even though you are not searching, isn't it? That is what artificial intelligence is. That how we can utilize in our health profession, in our pharmaceutical. How can we make it? Structural activity relationship is there, which you have studied, I think most of you, which make the development of the drug system, so can it will achieve maximum pharmacological action, better pharmacological action with very less side effects. That we can, if we will go on trial, it will make a million, billion, like so many of the excipients. It is very expensive to make it single and also there is a very lack of chemicals and all. If we do it, there is a drug design software is there. In that already done, and if we can add the little bit modulation in the derivatives of the functions, we will get all the therapeutical actions related to that. So in that way, we can make it betterment. Strengthen in the sense we are already healthy and we are having enough approaches to make it, but it is not enough at all. Because we should not be stopped here, we can make it like anything. Nowadays the advanced technology is in such a way that if I show you one thing, I will be tell you that what is the disease sector or what the department of the unhealthy conditions, maximum sold out thing is going on. Which disease conditions are the sale maximum in our pharmaceutical department? Can anyone guess it is? Oncological drugs are, means anti-cancer drugs are around 99% are selling. In the sense, so we need to approach more in that area, so we need to reduce the frequency of the occurring of that diseases with a very less side effects and all. In the similar way, second next what it is nothing but then diabetes. Anti-diabetic drugs are selling highly. Second of the anti-cancer drugs. In the like that, immunological drugs are with there. At the last, maximum is hypertensive drugs. Anti-hypertensive drugs are the least one, that is 33%. It is selling out. So what our intention is that selling has to be there in our aspect, but our preference is to reduce the disease rate by our treatment with our the discovered novel advanced technology. With this, I think I want to be finish it down. By your looking at your slide, I don't think it is. We can expand it more. Okay. Once again, happy Pharmacist Day to all.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call Sneha from Diploma First Year for a Pharmacist Day speech. Good afternoon, everyone. It gives me an immense pleasure to start this auspicious occasion by heartily welcoming our principal, chief guests, our teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, all we are gathered here to celebrate the World Pharmacist Day. A special day is dedicated to recognize and appreciating the incredible contributions of a pharmacist and a pharmacy professions in our life. We celebrate the September 25th as the World Pharmacist Day because the International Pharmaceutical Federation Council was founded on the same day in 1912. Pharmacy Council of India celebrated the Pharmacist Day first time on the 25th September 2013 at a Serifort Auditorium, New Delhi. The theme of this year Pharmacist Day is strengthening the health system. To present the opportunities to increase the awareness of a pharmacist as an intelligent solution for health services to meet the future needs of a health system around the world after the COVID-19 viruses. The campaigns create the awareness of its value and continue the potential to improve the health. With so many medicines and so many prescriptions, only a pharmacist know how to set things right in way. Thank you everyone for giving this opportunity to share my few words with you. Let us all continue to support and appreciate the pharmacist. Thank you. Thank you, Sneha. Now I would like to call Supriya and Shagufta to continue this. Hello, one and all. I hope you all are doing well. I am Shagufta from Diploma Second Year, and we have. I am Supriya Busnurmat from B Farm 4th Sem. A very warm welcome to all for this World Pharmacist Day 2023. We would like to appreciate the achievement of these students who have done excellent work in the previous academic year of 2022 and 23. Achieving academic excellence is not just small feat, it requires unwavering determination and a thirst of knowledge. Our rank holders have not only met but succeeded these expectations. As we call their names, please join us on the stage to receive your well-deserved awards and certificates. So, let's start with the second year diploma pass-out students. For this, I would request today's chief guest, Dr. Mallappa Salavadi sir, to please come up on the dais to felicitate the rank holders of our college. I would call upon stage Amal, who has secured first rank holder in second year diploma. Please motivate them with a big round of applause. And And from the same class of the year, I would call upon a stage Priya, who has secured second rank in diploma second year. Next, I would call upon stage Bhimsi, who has secured third rank in second year diploma. And I would call upon stage Appu, who has secured first rank in first year diploma. And I would call upon stage Chaitra, who has secured second rank in diploma first year. Next, I would call upon stage Muskan Samrin Havaldar, who has secured third rank in first year diploma. I would call upon stage Veena Kumbar, who has secured first rank in first semester in B Pharma. And from the same class of the year, I would call upon stage Sudha, who has secured second rank in B Pharma first sem. Next, from the same class, I would call upon stage Kirtana, who has secured third rank in first semester in B Pharma. And from the B Pharma third semester, I would call upon stage Kavya, who has secured first And from the same class, Ashwini Divta, I would call up on stage. She has secured second rank. And next from the same class, I would call upon stage Nagaratna, who has secured third rank in third sem. And next, fifth semester B Pharma, I will call upon stage Pooja Head. She has secured first rank in fifth semester B Pharma. And from the same class, I would call upon stage Danishwari, who has secured second rank in fifth semester B Pharma. Next, from the same class of the year, I would call upon stage R. Mahalakshmi, who has secured third rank in fifth semester B Pharma. Thank you, sir. To all the rank holders, remember that your journey does not end here. Your achievements today are just the beginning of a bright future, filled with limitless opportunities. Thank you, everyone. We would like to express our gratitude to our faculty members who have tirelessly supported our students in their academic pursuits. Congratulations to all the awardees. Your achievements light the way for future generation of scholars. Keep reaching for the stars. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call Shashidhar sir on the dais.
Good afternoon to one and all. First of all, I wish a happy Pharmacist Day to all the registered pharmacists and also to the budding pharmacists. So now I am here. So without the pharmacist vote, I think Pharmacist Day celebration doesn't end. So I request all the dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and students to stand up and take the pharmacist oath. And do follow whatever I am going to dictate now. I swear by the Code of Ethics of Pharmacy Council of India in relation to the community and shall act as an integral part of healthcare team I shall uphold
I shall uphold
the laws and standards governing
laws and standards governing
my profession.
my profession.
I shall strive
I shall strive
to perfect and enlarge
to perfect and enlarge
my knowledge to contribute
my knowledge to contribute
to the advancement of
to the advancement of
pharmacy and public health.
pharmacy and public health.
I shall follow the system
I shall follow the system
which I consider
which I consider
best for
best for
pharmaceutical care and
pharmaceutical care and
counseling of patients.
counseling of patients.
I shall endeavor
I shall endeavor
to discover
to discover
and manufacture
and manufacture
drugs of quality
drugs of quality
to alleviate
to alleviate
sufferings of humanity.
sufferings of humanity.
I shall hold
I shall hold
in confidence
in confidence
the knowledge gained
the knowledge gained
about the patients
about the patient
in connection with
in connection with
professional practice
practice
and never divulge
and never diverge
unless
unless
compelled to do so
compelled to do so
by the law.
by the law.
I shall associate with
I shall associate with
organizations
organizations
having their objectives
having their objectives
for betterment of the
profession of pharmacy
and make contribution
and my contribution
to carry out the work of
to carry out the work of
those organizations.
those organizations.
While I continue to keep
While I continue to keep
this oath
this oath
inviolated,
inviolated,
may it be granted to me
may it be granted to me
to enjoy life
to enjoy life
and practice of pharmacy
and practice of pharmacy
respected by all
respected by all
at all times.
at all times.
Should I trespass
Should I trespass
and violate this oath,
and violate this oath,
may the reverse be
may the reverse be
my lot.
my Lord.
Thank you very much.
Let's have a cake cutting ceremony on the occasion of World Pharmacist Day 2023. And a request to join to all the lecturers.
अभी कैसा था वो भी सुन रहा क्या बोले वो भी सुन रहा
Thank you, sirs and lecturers, for joining the celebration. Now I would like to call Veena from B Pharma second year for vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to all. It gives me immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks on the event of Pharmacist Day. To begin with, I would like to thank you all our dignitaries who honored this function with inspirational thoughts. We are extremely thankful to our chief guest, Dr. Mallappa Shalwadi sir, for making this event elegant with your presence and valuable words. And also our beloved principal, Dr. Shravan Nargun sir, for inaugurating this event. I owe special gratitude to our lecturers who always stand with us and motivate us. Further, a special thanks to all students who worked hard for the preparation of this program and their involvement. We know that success is not a destination but a journey. I am thankful to all the teaching and non-teaching staff and all volunteers who were working background directly or indirectly for making this function a grand success. If time is the money, then today you have spent millions for us by bringing charm to our event by your presence. On this occasion of Pharmacist Day, I would like life to medicine, but we pharmacists give life to medicine. Thank you.
Thank you, Veena. Now I request all of them to stand up for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जगति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, everyone.